All right, today's lunch, tuna. Well, hey, John, everybody can make tuna. Yeah, I know. But it's my lunch. That's what I'm having. This brand is Genova Yellowfin tuna in olive oil, and I like it a lot. And it's one of those ones that are, friendly, I guess you want to call it. But anyway, it's a little bit more expensive, but I like it pretty good. And it's big chunks in there. All right, so when I do tuna, I'm lazy and I hate to wash dishes, so I always put my mayo in the bowl first. I know how much I'm going to use. That way, when I get the tuna out of the can, I use the same spoon, and then I don't put it back in the mayo, because you definitely don't want cross-contamination. So anyway, my tuna is pretty straightforward. It's just mayo, and I do a couple little other things. I'll put some black pepper. And I like to put a little bit of Old Bay seasoning, not too much. And then I always put just a couple of drops of Tabasco, just to give it a little zing. And there you go. Quick, easy, just like everybody makes tuna, just a little bit different. And I got some ciabatta bun here. I don't like my tuna overly mayonnaisey. I like it enough to hold it together. And pretty much that's about it. And I think I'll just put it all on there, and it'll geeb out when I bite into it, but that's okay. I'll make a mess on the plate. All right, and I got a little red onion here I'm going to put on there. I'll cut it real thin. I'm always leery of raw onion because of heartburn, but it makes for an awfully good tuna sandwich. There's that. Simple tuna sandwich on a ciabatta bread. Let's see. Good. It's tuna.